I'm finally back at Miniwags. Brexit. My new stainless bend finally showed up, so I went ahead and at least put that in the right spot. This is kind of a hodgepodge of stainless steel and aluminized piping. The muffler is stainless, that's stainless, aluminized pretty much all the way forward from there. But it's tacked together with mild steel, so it's gonna look really disgusting for the meantime until it's finish welded. But I have to get different gas and the different wire for this thing. Anywho, it's all hung up, at least pretty much where it should be. I'm still running into clearance issues by the steering shaft on this car, even with the ovaled pipe. So I'm still not quite sure what I'm gonna end up doing there. The old oil line is still hooked up to the pump, or the sump here, sorry. In order to replace that, I have to drain some oil out of it, which is kind of silly, but have to do it. Let's see what else. Bottom side, I think that's pretty much it. Power steering still hooked up. The reservoir is up top. I'm not going to bother with the E36 location. It can stay up top. There's plenty of room. Once that's done, I am still waiting on the correct size. Hold on, let me turn on the light here. The correct size plug for the wastegate. So I'm not using an external again. And this pipe, I'm gonna have to pull the down pipe out again and smack it some more. Because right now when I turn the car, it's not terribly happy. Still kind of feel some resistance. It's just not much room to work around there, unfortunately. Still have some nuts to tighten down, which are obviously tons and tons of fun. But yeah, the exhaust at least is in kind of the orientation it will eventually be in. There's a very high likelihood I will have to add another muffler at some point, just due to volume. 2.5-inch pipe should help quite a bit, but that and the relatively small exhaust side on the turbo acting as a muffler. Yeah, I mean it runs, I just don't want to really drive it yet because there's no coolant in the cooling system, and obviously all of the exhaust basically is coming out of that little 44mm flange where the wastegate should be. But anyway, at least it's, we're making progress. Springtime's almost here. I've been working on this car since, what, October or something like that, so it's time to get cracking on it. Lots of other stuff I've got on the schedule here to work on as well, so stay tuned. I'm going to keep plugging on this car along with everything else, but that's what I got for right now. You guys will never believe it, but I finally found a wastegate delete flange that fits. Turns out it's a 44mm Tial style, and I've got it blocked off. So really, aside from bending the downpipe up a bit more, the exhaust is done. Very happy about that. Lots of trial and error, lots of purchase parts to get that done.